Hello everyone, my name is Ben Cruz. I'm a member of the HPC team here at the U of A. This tutorial is going to walk you through how to set up your visualizations on the HPC. The benefits of this are that you don't have to be limited by whatever resources your home computer has, and you can do everything including the actual rendering of the project right on the HPC. So with that, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hop into whatever web browser you want to use. And we're going to go to od.hpc.arizona.edu. After that, it'll probably ask you to do login, the dual authentication. Once you get through all of that, you'll see something that looks about like this. Because we want to do an interactive session, we're going to go to Interactive Apps, Interactive Desktop, and this will be all the parameters for our session. You can look at the different parameters here, runtime, core count, modify those as you see fit. Since this is just an example project, we're going to go legato, 4 cores, all that stuff looks good. As the warning states here, it is not recommended to use Windfall here as it could just boot you off at any time. And click launch. All right. Next, you'll see your interactive desktop pops up. It's not open yet, it's queued. Once it finds a spot in the queue, it'll open up. And there we go. Generally shouldn't take too long. And we are now running. So once you get this all up, you can click Launch Interactive Desktop. Okay, now that we have our interactive desktop session up and running, we can click this terminal icon in the top left. And this is where some terminal experience could come in handy, but is not strictly necessary, as you can generally just follow the commands. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste in a command that you'll see in the text below. So I'm going to copy it. Depending on your settings, you can either right-click directly in the terminal to paste, or if that doesn't work, you can come over to this tab over on the left side, click on Clipboard, paste the command into this text box here, and then right-click in the terminal, paste. So now what this is going to do is it's going to copy a file onto your computer. Likely, if this is your first time doing this, this will be a lot more information, but if we type ls here, you should see a file named Paraview 1.8 version 2.0 or something like that. Okay, now that we have that, what we're going to do is we're going to take the next command, copy it in the same way, this will bring us into what's called a singularity container. It's not entirely important if you don't know what that means at the moment, but this basically allows us access to run Paraview. So if I close this and just type Paraview, press enter, after a second, there you go, Paraview is now launched. So with this, we can do all the things we normally do, open up your folders, do all the exports that you'd like to do, and it all runs perfectly. So there you go. That's been how we can get Paraview GUI up and running on the U of A HPC. All right, good luck.